When Rose was a child, she was afraid. The cultural milieu to which she was exposed gave her fear the face of the supernatural. But ultimately, it was the unknown, what lay outside of her grasp and lurked beyond the light, which she learnt to call the ghost, the absence of life, and thus the dark. One day, she chose to commit her fears to paper, and began correspondence with an elderly aunt, whose occult wisdom was often satired or mocked by her other family members. But, on this occasion, it was a source of much comfort for young Rose. In Aunt Cassandra's reply, she advised her niece to confront that which terrified her, in this case through the summoning of a spirit. Whilst Rose would likely grow up to be reasonable, and see past such silliness, as her parents would describe the entire episode, at that point in time she saw her aunt's advice as highly compelling. She consulted the book which Cassandra had sent along with the letter, containing all the instructions to bring a successful invocation into fruition. After indulging her amusement through brief examinations of pages about metaposcopy, the practice of reading fortune through the studying of foreheads, and the tale of St. Cato, who offered a kitten to Satan in return for the assembly of a bridge over l'Ariad Etel, she came to the chapter that she desired, in which all matters of necromancy were elucidated. It stated to raise a spirit one must go to the site of a ruin, where echoes of the past roam freely, and place an item of memento mori somewhere within its bounds. Along with the memento mori, a specific semi-precious gemstone was required, but Rose was not familiar with the name, so substituted it with a crystal she had purchased on a school trip to a natural history museum. To finish the process, the lighting of a candle was required, but before she committed match to wick, Rose had a premonition. She saw the ghost wander along the cold stone wall. Imagine it might survey its surroundings. It occurred to her that an eternity of restlessness might bear an angry spirit bent on spite. Or perhaps it would be merely lonely, lost beyond the margins of tangibility. She asked herself if it would reach out to her and pass fully into our world, or would there be? In the end, she didn't light the candle, because she knew the answer would not alleviate her fear.